Doug with Yaskawa here at Southtec Trade Show, and this is going to be our booth rundown. So first I'm going to take you through our ArcWorld HS, our smallest ArcWorld, and then I've got some specialists lined up at the other demos to take you through those. So to get it started, our ArcWorld HS, smallest pre-engineered cell, so you don't have to worry about all the dimensions, figuring out those details. This comes as it is. You can get the Lincoln or Miller power supply. You can get a Yaskawa torch, Tragascus, or Benzel torch, and all three of those torches work with the Yaskawa slimline reamer cutter. So really nice, just all-in-one small arc welding cell. So on to the next, we're going to take you over to the STEM Education Workforce Development cell, and for this I've got Clint Chapman.
Hey!
And Clint is going to take you through what we got showing here. Take it away,
Fantastic. Right here, right this way, Doug. So we have MotoSim Touch here, and what this enables us to do is actually have a real programming environment, and we're actually grabbing the teach pendant. So I can have all the muscle memory about where things are located. And guess what? Here in my simulation right here, my e-stop works on the teach pendant. I can reset the e-stop, put my servo power back on, and play start. I can even take this to a different level and go ahead and put it in teach mode and drive the robot into the fixturing. This is totally inappropriate in a normal condition, but in a training area, this is perfect. So I can simply put this back into play mode, servo on, play start, and it's off and running and back into its normal conditions. So this mitigates a lot of risk when I'm trying to teach and train students for the very first time. At $4,000 to education and EDU, it is a great price, a great starting price for that. Right behind us, did I get this messed up?
Oh, you're good.
All right. Right behind us is one of our STEM carts done by Genflex. This particular cart, we lend the robot, the GP4 robot with a microcontroller to Genflex, and they had interns actually design and build this cart and turn around with the IF panel, and it actually throws candy. It's got to finish its little sequence right now, and here it is. So they had to design the plunger, they had to design the slope and make sure the candy did not fall too fast. They designed the 3D printed what we call the diving board and the corresponding fingers on the electric gripper so that it can throw candy accurately. And so the lights will blink 4 times. 1. There it goes. And there's the candy. And that's how we teach students, by industrialization of gamification of industrial hardware.
Fantastic. Thanks a lot, Clint.
You bet, bud.
Appreciate it. All right, so now we are going to walk over to our 3D bin picking cell. And so this is a partnership with Keyence Corporation.
Straight up black.
And so we are joined with Tom Stocker. So he's our Director of Sales here at Yaskawa. So Tom, tell us a little bit about the Keyence demo. Oh, you need a mic, don't you?
They shut it down.
Oh, they shut it down. You can still talk about it.
Okay. All right. Yeah, so what we're showing here is a random bin picking application where we are using our GP12 robot in conjunction with a Keyence 3D vision sensor. Now, what's unique with this solution from Keyence is typical stereo vision uses 2 cameras. Keyence uses 4. So what that ends up producing is a system that can pick up a thinner part down to 1 millimeter. It also handles lighting variations quite a bit better. So it's a more robust system. Then the other thing as well is the Keyence camera will do the path planing of the robot in and out of the bin that we show here, so it can also reduce your integration time in developing a bin picking application.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. Appreciate it, Tom. All right, so our last demo that we're going to take you over to, and we're joined here with Pat Downing, and so he is the general manager of this. So can you take us through this fantastic machine tending?
Sure, Doug. This is RoboTend by Vista Automation. What it is, it's an automated machine tending system for CNC mills or lathes. We can run multiple machines in this system. We're utilizing a GP12 in this particular demo. We can use a GP25 for larger product, or we can use collaborative robots if the need fits, if there's a need for a collaborative. This system is a 4-drawer system. We can run up to about 20 pounds of product per gripper. We can run shafts, we can run squares or rounds. It's intuitive, so the operator can program the parts they want, to run. It can run as a lights out system also, so we can run the product. The machine will run until it's complete. It can be loaded from the rear, and then the robot pulls the door from the front, and loads and unloads the machine tool.
Fantastic. And a couple of things I want to point out here as well is, like you said, you currently use Siemens PLC, but that can be switched out, as you mentioned,
Correct.
to another PLC of choice.
Yep.
Pick your flavor, as we say.
Exactly.
And,
yep.
And you mentioned it before, but it's kind of pick your flavor as well with the robot.
Correct.
So whether it's GP12, GP8L, HC10, HC20, whatever that need is, they can incorporate that into the design and have you up and running in your time.
And correct. And we can offer a turnkey system, so we can include the machine tool with the product that we do, and it is a standard product for us.
That's great. And another key point, just to really emphasize, you know, it's not just, oh, here's your robot and here's your drawer system, and here's the connection point to tie it into your CNC. They'll actually help with that CNC programming to really truly give you that complete turnkey system.
Exactly.
So
we can offer a complete turnkey system. We can help you optimize your programming of the lathe or the mill, optimize the programming of the robot, and just offer a complete system for your product.
Wonderful. Well, Pat, thank you very much for that rundown.
Thanks, Doug.
Glad we've got this partnership with you.
Thanks, Doug.